What's going on? So this is the RW 60-inch fireplace. We're actually just renovating this space, and I wanted to show you what it looks like. Now, the rocks aren't in there. That's why you're seeing all those LEDs, but I'm just going to lower my angle here so you can see the flame. It comes with a remote control. This is your remote control. You got your dimmer. You got your two colors over the flame, so you can create quite a lot of variations of colors for different moods and seasons. You can control the speed of the flame. It's got 4 settings. And this is your heater. It's got a 1500 watt heater, so you got to make sure that you plug this in on the correct circuit so it doesn't trip your breaker. And then you've got your timer. It goes from 0 to 9 hours. Yeah, so let's go and play with this. Now it comes in two different options. You can recess it because the flames come out. The heater is located in the front. You can recess this, or you can hang this on a bracket, which what we did here, and it's just gonna kind of lay there. So let's go turn off this light so you guys can see how much. So you can see that it actually fills this entire space, just the color. So it creates a pretty cool kind of a mood. I'm just gonna come close so you guys can kind of see better. Now, there we go. So now I'm gonna go and change the colors around. Let me get a little closer. All right, so let's play with the different colors. Now, the cool thing about this fireplace, it sets the mood for the space. Now, you can see that it actually fills this room with enough light to watch a movie or um, feel like a really nice cozy space. Let's change the dimmer here. Okay, so this is the lowest setting, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. So there's 5 dim levels. Now we're going to turn on the flame speed, and you can see the flame is going faster, and now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the normal flame. Well, actually, it's actually fast. And this is the 1. This is the heater. So I just turned on the heater, and it's actually coming out from right there. It takes maybe 4 minutes to fill up an entire space. Now we are in about, I want to say 130 square foot space. This will heat up about 450. This will heat up about 500 to 600 square feet. Absolutely no problem. So if you put this in the living room, it's actually going to carry the heat over into the dining room as well. No problem, and into the kitchen. There's only one setting on here, and it's 1500, and it's got a built-in thermostat to make sure that's not actually going to overheat. Now let's play with the different color combination of the colors. See, so you can change different colors. So one for the background and one for the flames. Now it looks way nicer when you got the rocks in there as well. Just letting you guys know. And let's turn on the light here. It's nice and cozy and warm right now. All right, and I want to show you what else it came with. And it came with these plastic rocks right here. Decorative stuff they call it, but these are sort of like plasticky crystals that you place on the bed right here, because without that it's reflecting the LED lights. So overall, I'm quite happy and satisfied with this. Again, 2 mounting options, and thanks for watching. It does come in different sizes. This is a 60-inch. It requires about 59 inches by 17.5 inch frame built, and then you can just kind of recess it in, and that way you're gonna have a nice flush finish. So thanks for watching.